Good morning. Good morning. This is Ahura. Good morning from Europe, actually. Today, September 1st, I will be here with you as always, as every day morning, to review the economic calendar, the data we had so far, and the data we are going to have later today, and overall market expectations. So far, data from China, especially for the manufacturing in stocks and PMIs, they were positive. They helped the market sentiment slightly. In Australia, building permits missed the expectations. Generally, didn't find too much positive reaction in a market. However, in Japan, manufacturing PMI slightly fell from 49.9 to 49.7, while in Russia, S&P 500, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI increased slightly from 47 to 48. In Turkey, GDP increased by 4.8% in the second quarter. That's very amazing number, especially for the Turkish economy. In United Kingdom, house price index fell by 0.1%, slightly missed the expectations, and showing that generally that can be actually some positive actually signal for the housing market. So with this data, market reactions so far, it was mixed in Asia, as the manufacturing data and other economic data from Japan, they were missing the expectations. Japanese Nikkei fell by more than 1%, 1.2%, while in Hang Seng in Hong Kong increased by 2%, in Shanghai increasing or rising by almost 0.5%. Indian Sensex increased by more than 0.5%, and Singapore index increasing by more than 0.1%. 0.5 Indian, if I told 5%, I should change it to 0.5%. In Shanghai, also 0.5%. So generally, the data, they are showing that the market reacted positively to data so far we had. Later today is the PMI day. Later today, we're going to have the PMI numbers, Purchasing Managers Index, going to publish from most developed and developing economies in Europe. Totally, we are expecting slightly to have slightly positive data. Same in United Kingdom. In UK, we're going to have the mortgage rates data as well, but generally the market will focus on PMI numbers. The same thing we're going to have in Mexico as well. That's the most important data, and generally we are positive about the data is going to be published so far today. Don't forget that it's holiday in United States and Canada. It's a Labor Day. So the market should be a market that I should say the market will have slightly less liquidity, and the risk of the market will be much more than other normal days. So far, US dollar index fell slightly at the beginning of the trading week and trading month. However, that we shouldn't expect falling too much with the data expecting in the market, including Fed expectations and labor market data on Friday during the week actually, and then the NFP numbers on Friday. We expect to see again the US dollar index to get slightly some of its lasting power back and trade around 98 again. That's the overall expectations. As for other market, gold still holding its gains, increasing, and we are positive, but still gold overall market condition is still fine for gold. Maybe we can have some correction, but generally the gold is fine. Gas increasing, the overall ongoing geopolitical tensions, especially on what's going on between Iran and Western countries in one side, and Russia and Western countries, especially Ukraine and other side, helping the both oil and gas prices to increase at the beginning of the month and the week. S&P 500 and other US stocks falling slightly. Market counting on rate cuts in September, but that was what we were expecting before as well. No surprise, so which we can say that that's almost priced in the market, and no profit taking and safe profits can put the pressure on the stock prices. In cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is still falling, even though the earlier today slightly increased above from 108,000 from the earlier down of 100 almost 7,000, but still the market is negative. I mean, the overall market trend is negative, is falling, and we should be more careful about our trades and the data. That's the market update and the condition. Hope it was useful for you, and have a good day and have a good trade. See you tomorrow.